Hi, Jason West here, and in this video I want to show you the sign up process to Kartra. I'm actually signing up for another account myself, so I thought, hey, why not just film it? So first of all, you've just got a little pop-up here that's come up because I've gone to exit the page and it's gone, whoa, you haven't finished your account registration. So good thing about Kartra is you can get a $1 trial for 2 weeks, so you can have a really good look at the software before you even get committed and start signing up. And by the way, you can cancel at any time in the future anyway. So here we go. Let's go and finish this and let's get started. I'm gonna have to blur out some of this stuff because I can't have you knowing all of my personal details now, can I? So I am just gonna sign on up. First thing you're going to need to do is you're gonna need to choose a Kartra domain nickname. So everything that you do within Kartra will be on youraccountname.kartra.com. You can link custom domains to it and get rid of that, but as standard, this is what it will be. So you've got to choose your name and do it right, because you can't change it later. There's no like, oh, I didn't like that username, I want to switch it over. You're gonna need to pick the right one from day one. So excuse the note, it's just going to keep doing that as I try and bring up my robo form to generate a hideous password, and I'm going to plop that in there. My secret question can possibly tell you what that is, and then my account currency. Now this is the reason that I'm opening a new account, guys, is because you need to have one currency for a Kartra account. You can't have a Kartra account at the time of making this video that sells products in loads of different currencies. Now my main audience is buying in pounds sterling, so I have gone and opened up an account in US dollars for my other business, which needs to be mainly in US dollars to the USA market. So that's something to note. Make sure you get this currency right. And then once you've done, click next. It's probably, oh, there you go. So the minimum characters for your domain name is in fact 4. So I tried 2 and wasn't able to do that. So I'm gonna do 4. There we go. Let's try that. And next, yes, that has worked. So we're moving on to the next part, which I would imagine is probably going to take us straight through now to the next page, and probably just show our account straight away. I can't remember. Oh, here we go. Okay, so congratulations, you are now a new Kartra member. Here's what to do next. Then it tells you what to do. You're going to get 4 emails. Welcome to Kartra. It's all very clear, it's very good. Let us know if you need help. There's a support portal, which is very good. Ticket support system. Join the Facebook group, which I'm in, very good. You'll find quite a few posts from me in there. And then become an expert. Go through the Kartra Academy. That's also very useful. And then latest tips and everything. Join their weekly calls. So there's a lot of free available training for Kartra. And then there's some FAQ stuff down there. So that's it. So now it's a question of going to your email and then looking for the welcome to Kartra with your login details, and then opening up and logging in. And that's what I'm going to do next. So I've received my welcome email, and now I'm just going to go and log in. And let's see, so I've got to take out my existing username and password, and I have to enter in my new one because I've got 2 accounts. And there we go. So let's log in, and I want to get this saved up in good old robo form too. So let's just call that Kartra JW. And there we go. So agree to terms of service, that's fine. And then a welcome to Kartra. Andy Jenkins. Okay, I've watched the video. Click continue. And then you can go through now and start to, follow the instructions to learn how to use Kartra, because it's got a whole setup kind of sequence for you. So on the right hand side, it's got 0% done. And it gives you a list of everything that you need to do in order to kind of understand and then use Kartra. So you've got to complete your profile, create a list, create your first tag. You may not use a tag straight away, but it's good to know how to do it. Then you want to plug in your PayPal and your Stripe. Configure your first product. If you're selling a digital product, you'll want to do that. Then import some leads if you've already got some, maybe moving from Confusionsoft or ClickFunnels or whoever, and maybe ActiveCampaign. You can import all your leads in, that's dead easy. You can send your first email broadcast out to your lists. Do an opt-in form and add that to your site, or create an entire website in Kartra. Publish a page, so that's how you would do that. You're going to be creating pages in Kartra now. Create an automated sequence, so that's when things get really interesting. You can create clever email sequences that give the right message to the right person at the right time. You can even set up your own help desk, upload your first video to try that out, and then use this one here if you want to create your own membership site, or even a free membership area to train people on anything that you want. You can create that in Kartra. So that's what you need to do. You can go through all of these, and then once you're all done, you can just click this button here that says don't show me the pending tasks again, and then this 0% thing on the right here will be gone. And then as you can see, there's the Kartra Academy there for some good video training. And you can also tick this box here if you just want to get rid of this from seeing it every single time. And then done for you campaigns, if you click on this particular part here, you're going to see the done for you campaigns that come with Kartra when you purchase it. These are all available to import into your account. And then if you've purchased any funnels from me, you'll also now be able to import mine. So all that happens is you just click import, you put in the campaign share code that I've given you, and then it will just appear here, and then you click on one of these dots here and click on deploy, and then that just goes bang and appears all in your account, puts this whole campaign, the automations, the help desk, the pages, everything all into the appropriate place down the left hand side, and then you're able to use and edit that campaign. I've got lots of other videos on using the campaigns and editing, but that's basically it. So that's how you go and get a Kartra account, and then you go through their setup process to learn how to use it and get it the way you want it. If you've got any questions, by all means ask me underneath this video, and thanks for watching.